What's going on, guys? Jezzi here with One of One Traders, and boom, 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 boom. We back in it. We back in it. We back in it. I'm kidding, bruh. But super super good trade today. Very happy with this trade, as we can see before I get started. Called out live in these 514 QQQ calls. Price was all the way at $512. So a little 512.81, so about a point and oh no, about a point and a half move. That's back to back days, a point plus move. So boom. You can see the trade. I'll get into the recap in a second. Just slowly trimming these out, setting trailed stop on the remaining of these contracts 513.30, but it just spiked up above 514 and I took it. I'm taking it. I'm not a greedy person and I made a fair amount of money on this trade. Uh the I will show you that in uno second. Boom. Made a little over 4 bands on this trade. I don't think I made 4,000 on a trade. I think I made like 3,800, and I just made some money from shares. But again, super crazy trade, super smooth trade. Very happy with these results. Let me get into the analysis now. I just wanted to show ya the results because that's what people care about. But that's how the world works. That is how the world works. All right, so boom. Yes, I know, I know. Oh, it came below your stop loss. It came below your stop loss. That does not matter. That does not matter. That doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it freaking shoots below my stop loss. It doesn't matter if it dropped below all the way down to here. If the candle doesn't close, I'm looking for a candle close. You can see how the candle's closed above here. Price nowhere nearly came back to where it touched here. Just an aggressive retracement. It had a tough time breaking that 513 psych level. Again, we have new all-time highs. You got to be watching these psych levels super, super sharply. These psych levels are everything, especially dealing with new time highs. People don't know, retail traders, they don't know exactly where price is going to go to. These banks and stuff, these hedge funds, all these money management and stocks and stuff, they don't know exactly where price is going to go. As you can see, price is catching resistance at almost every single cycle level. Look, 514, it's catching. So yeah, watching those cycle levels is super important. So I wasn't too worried, because if you do look at high time frame, we have super strong buyer absorption. Buyers are strong, pumping volume is getting stronger, and buyers are getting greener, or buyers are getting larger. So buyer absorption, I'm not too worried about a retest. As you can see, rejected right back up. Ain't worried at all. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit worried because it shot down fast. So I was like, oh. And then I sent a potential close if you like, but me personally, if you know I trade, I'm not closing unless I see a candle close. Uh so yeah. So let's get into the trade. We can see he forms a little bit of a double bottom, but now uses this previous resistance. Oh, let's take a guess where it rejected. Psych level 512. So, all right, now it's using that super strong resistance as a very strong support. It is unable to break that support. If you don't see it, I'm going to just draw it out for you, because some people still struggle identifying support and resistance. See how price is getting resisted? Like, it's not able to break, this imaginary zone right here. That is resistance. Support is where it's getting caught going down, like it's being held up. Price, support, it's getting pushed up. So this 512 area is now getting used as a strong support zone, where it was previously used as a resistance. That is a bullish identification. That is bullish. If price is using a previous resistance as a support, it's potentially going to get pushed up even more. And this consolidation is just giving buyers more time to step in. As you can see, strong buys, weak red, strong buy, sellers are getting stronger, but buyers are still there. Buyers are still strong here. Again, tough level for it to break. 513. Let's see where it caught resistance again. 513. Each psych level it's catching, but the buy volume is so strong to where it'll reject, orders will fill, but then the demand will just go right back up. People will buy at the demand, and it's gonna get pushed back up. So for all those like ICT kids, this, like, as you can see here, price fell right down to psych level like damn near 512. You could call that a liquidity sweep, but I don't call it that because I think that's bullshit. But it's a good way to put it for a majority of the people to understand. I just call it a big retracement at a psych level. It's simple as that. The more names you put on things, the more confusing you make it for yourself. So again, price literally did hit my first trim before, so I closed some of these contracts, and I did actually average down. When it came down to here, I averaged down because it literally went stopped right at 512 and went don't. So when it came down again a little bit, averaged down a little bit on those contracts, let those things ride. And as you can see, the immediate next candle broke right back above that high, and it is using now this 513-ish resistance zone as a support. So it's just creating the same pattern, but now it's moving a little bit faster. We can see resistance, support, resistance, support. Same pattern over and over and over. Same pattern yesterday. Got to be able to identify basic market structure, or else you're not, or else you're lost. If you don't know basic market structure, bro, learn it. It's better than any strategy. So yeah, let these contracts ride, close some here, just letting them run, and as soon as that kind of smashed through that 514 zone, I took a majority of my contracts. Actually, I took all of them. Yeah, so again, 5-2-1 risk to reward, and that wasn't my first idea. This was my first idea, but I actively manage my trades, so if it still wants to go, I'm gonna let it go. My stop never moves though. Stop never moves, but my take profit do. Yeah, so that was the trade. I don't think I might take a trade tomorrow, or I might not. I'm not too positive. I might take a trade tomorrow. We'll see. I don't know. Again, we'll see. But yeah, that was the trade of the day. Y'all saw the entry. Y'all saw the results. Y'all watched y'all seen the breakdown. So I will see y'all in another video.